For everyone out there that says that he doesn't have 37-inch legs, I've just seen them personally. I ain't never seen legs that big before. Fuck me.
Let's get fucking massive! Reese Davis, the Terrible Twins. It's sunny outside and we're here at Base Gym, ROWLEY Regis. Today, okay, for all the TTT followers, we're going to be showing you, okay, the fantastic physique competitor who's in the British finals in several months called GABRIEL Seys. I'm going to introduce you to him. I want you to show him some love. More importantly, respect. He's travelled all the way from London. He's a great athlete. He's got a great mindset. And listen, he trains with that TTT intensity. So today we're going to bring you an informative video, an aggressive video, where you're going to see 3 black men fuck each other up. That's a dream. Here's GABRIEL Seys.
What's going on YouTube? Gabriel Seys, aka The Truth. I'm here at Base Gym. And I'm about to fuck you up with these two. Yeah. Not gonna lie, a little bit scared, but it's all good.
So am I, man. What will I say to everyone? This is what we're about. We're bringing people from all over the country together, uniting athletes, bringing the public in for sessions, other athletes. One thing, positivity is completely infectious. There's nothing better than everyone wanting to do good, sharing secrets and just enjoying the love. Hope you enjoyed the video. Also be sure to subscribe to his channel down below. Give the boys some love, Terrible Twin style. One last message for the introduction, okay? The difference between me and my brother and GABRIEL Seys and everyone that's watching is nothing at all. We all have a vision, we all have a dream, okay? We have to work together, inspire people with the same vision, okay, to achieve success. Remember, the Terrible Twins preach every day. Anything is possible, and let this video fuel you to achieve your own personal goals. Reese Davis, the Terrible Twins, let's get fucking massive! Woo!
Easy.
For all you loyal TTT followers, what do we call these? Biscuits! Come on. 2 more. Good. Nothing in this world is more powerful than the Gabriel Seys sat on that machine right now. Quitting isn't fucking an option. You own this weight, the weight's your bitch. That don't move, you do move. British champion, let's go! British champion, let's go! On your back, on your back. What's on skills? That's what Wait, listen to me. Stop being a pussy, old man. Lift this fucking weight. Lift the fucking weight. 3 more. What, how much do you want that time? Tell me what you got. Let's go. Away. Go. 3 more. Let's go. 1 more. We're going to push you, we're going to push you. Then we're going to take you to a dark place and stand there with you until you're brave enough to turn on the light. No comfort zones. Fucking awesome. Get that stretching arm, bro. Come on. Go, man. No, if you stop, not 2 better. 4. Just enjoy that pace. Work ethic gets rewarded. I know for a fact no one else in Gabriel's category is training legs like he has today. I know for a fact no one is doing what he's doing today. So if work ethic gets rewarded and you can continue this for another 11 weeks, the result will be inevitable. Just putting it out there. That's right, that's it. Big hamstrings, family. Big hamstrings. Come on, mate. Tired. One of your legs is big as Gabriel's waist. He came in a beautiful, vibrant brown colour. He's gone kind of fucking grey. Hey, fam, you look really nice, man. You shouldn't be coming that short and long short, man.
Things are so tight. Everything's tight. Everything's fucked.
My wheels are huge. My calves are poor. So it's my intention to make them bigger. Will I get there? Yes. Will it be a struggle? Yes. Will it be worth it? Yes. Rhys Davies, they're terrible twins. Anything is possible.
Lee Page and Envigor Media just finished filming a crazy leg session with terrible twins, Gabriel Say. Go to the bitches.
This is my second take. For the first take I couldn't speak properly, I'm fatigued. Met Gabriel today for the first time. Absolute genuine hard working fellow, okay? I wish him all the best for the British finals in several weeks. We will be collaborating again with him in the future. Again, if I'm stuttering, I apologise, but I'm fatigued, right? Listen to me. What you saw today is possible and it is necessary in order for you to grow and in order to... I've got nothing else to say, Louis. Right then, what I want to say is that was a collaboration, one of the best ones we've done. We got like a house on fire, the chemistry was great, and more importantly, we shown basically what chemistry means during training. Is shouting necessary? 110%. When you go into that dark place, no amount of whispering into your training partner's ear is going to get him through it. Self-doubt consumes the body, consumes the mind. You need people there to push you forward, and that's what you experienced today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Share it. Get on our Instagram, get on our Twitter. Spread the word. Terrible twins, Gabriel Say, causing actual bodily harm.
What's going on, guys? This was probably one of the most intense sessions I've actually done probably in about 3-4 months. These guys are badass. Badass motherfuckers. They're crazy. Every time I felt like I was gonna fail at 30-40 reps, they're there. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. And I finished every set pound for pound. I love training with these guys. Check out their YouTube channel. Oh no.
Description box, ABH, Envigor Media, like that shit.
Hey, have you got your ABH? Reese? If you're from the UK, yeah, we're distributing to the UK and we've got meetings to ship it worldwide. If you want to get some results, that's it, get some ABH. Look at these two.